Yard work. Here are 10 practical ways to make your passion for the great outdoors profitable. Yard work isn't just about landscaping, it's about transforming outdoor spaces and providing top-notch services. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting your hands dirty, these strategies can help you transform your green thumb into a thriving business. 1. Lawn care services. Offer regular lawn maintenance services, including mowing, edging, and fertilizing. A well-maintained lawn enhances curb appeal and is a service in constant demand, especially in residential areas. 2. Landscaping design and installation. Specialize in landscaping design and installation projects. Create beautiful outdoor spaces by planting trees, flowers, and shrubs, and installing hardscape features like pathways and patio areas. Landscaping services can turn ordinary yards into extraordinary landscapes. 3. Tree and shrub care. Provide tree and shrub care services, including pruning, trimming, and disease management. Healthy trees and shrubs not only beautify landscapes, but also contribute to the overall well-being of the environment. 4. Irrigation system installation and maintenance. Specialize in installing and maintaining irrigation systems. Proper watering is essential for the health of plants and grass. Offer services to design efficient irrigation systems and ensure they function optimally throughout the year. 5. Garden maintenance and planting. Assist homeowners with garden maintenance tasks, such as weeding, mulching, and planting seasonal flowers. Create and maintain vibrant gardens that add color and life to outdoor spaces. Lawn aeration and seeding. Offer lawn aeration services to improve soil health and promote better grass growth. Additionally, provide overseeding services to fill in sparse areas and create lush, thick lawns. Aeration and seeding are essential for revitalizing lawns. 7. Outdoor lighting installation. Provide outdoor lighting installation services to enhance the ambiance of outdoor spaces. Install landscape lighting to illuminate pathways, gardens, and architectural features. Well-designed outdoor lighting adds both beauty and security to properties. 8. Seasonal cleanup and leaf removal. Offer seasonal cleanup services, especially during fall, to remove leaves, debris, and prepare gardens for winter. Seasonal cleanup services are essential for maintaining tidy and healthy outdoor spaces. 9. Pest and weed control. Provide pest control services to protect plants and lawns from harmful insects. Additionally, offer weed control services to keep unwanted plants at bay. Pest and weed control services are vital for maintaining the overall health of outdoor areas. 10. Organic gardening consultation. Offer consultation services for organic gardening practices. Many homeowners are interested in sustainable and chemical-free gardening. Provide guidance on organic fertilizers, natural pest control methods, and eco-friendly gardening practices. Remember, yard work isn't just a job, it's a chance to create beautiful outdoor spaces and contribute to the well-being of your community. Gardening. These are 10 smart methods to make your passion for gardening and the great outdoors profitable. Gardening isn't just a hobby, it's a rewarding and sustainable way to make a living. Whether you have a vast garden or just a small balcony, these strategies can help you transform your gardening passion into a thriving business. 1. Selling homegrown produce. Grow fruits, vegetables, or herbs in your garden and sell them at local farmers markets, grocery stores, or through community-supported agriculture (CSA) programs. Fresh organic produce is always in demand, and your garden can be a source of income. 2. Landscaping and garden design. Use your expertise to design and create beautiful gardens for others. Offer landscaping services to homeowners, businesses, or public spaces. A well-designed garden enhances property value and provides aesthetic pleasure, making your skills highly valuable. Garden consultation and workshops. Share your gardening knowledge by offering consultation services to individuals or conducting workshops and classes. Teach gardening techniques, sustainable practices, or specialized topics like organic farming. Your expertise can inspire others and create a steady income stream. 4. Plant nursery business. Start a plant nursery and propagate plants, flowers, or trees for sale. Nurseries are a hub for gardening enthusiasts, landscapers, and homeowners looking to enhance their outdoor spaces. Cultivate unique and in-demand plants to attract a loyal customer base. 5. Indoor and vertical gardening. Embrace the trend of indoor and vertical gardening. Design and install indoor gardens or vertical green walls for homes, offices, or commercial spaces. Indoor gardening solutions are popular in urban areas where space is limited. 6. Garden maintenance services. Offer garden maintenance services to clients who lack the time or expertise to care for their gardens. Services may include pruning, weeding, watering, and seasonal cleanup. Regular maintenance ensures gardens remain vibrant and healthy. 7. Seed saving and selling. Save seeds from your plants and sell them to fellow gardeners. Many gardeners prefer heirloom and rare seeds. Create seed packets, establish an online presence, and attend gardening events to reach a wider audience. 8. Herb and medicinal plant farming. Cultivate herbs and medicinal plants known for their health benefits. These plants are in demand by herbalists, wellness practitioners, and the food industry. Explore organic farming practices to grow high-quality, chemical-free plants. 9. Garden art and decor. Create and sell garden art, sculptures, or decorative items. Handcrafted garden decor adds a unique touch to outdoor spaces. You can sell your creations online, at local markets, or through garden centers and nurseries. 10. Gardening blogging and YouTube channel. Share your gardening journey, tips, and expertise through a blog or YouTube channel. Monetize your platform through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Creating engaging content can turn your passion into a profitable online business. Whether you prefer growing plants, designing landscapes, teaching others, or creating garden art, there's a path in gardening for everyone. Handyman Services. 10 profitable strategies to build a successful business out of your expertise. Handyman services are always in demand, and with the right approach, you can transform your expertise into a sustainable income. Whether you're a seasoned handyman or just starting out, these strategies can help you build a successful handyman business. 1. General home repairs. Offer a wide range of general home repair services. From fixing leaky faucets to patching up drywall, homeowners constantly need help with various repairs. Being a reliable go-to person for general fixes can ensure you have a steady stream of clients. 2. Painting and wallpapering. Provide painting and wallpapering services. Many homeowners want to refresh their interiors or exteriors, but lack the time or expertise to do it themselves. Offering professional painting services, including decorative finishes, can be a lucrative niche. 3. Carpentry and custom woodwork. Specialize in carpentry and custom woodwork projects. From building shelves to crafting custom furniture, carpentry services are valued for their precision and craftsmanship. Homeowners often appreciate unique, personalized woodwork solutions. 4. Electrical repairs and installations. Offer electrical repair and installation services. From fixing faulty wiring to installing new outlets or lighting fixtures, electrical work requires expertise and safety precautions. Homeowners frequently need professional help for electrical tasks. 5. Plumbing repairs and installations. Provide plumbing repair and installation services. From fixing leaky pipes to installing new faucets or toilets, plumbing issues are common in households. Offering reliable plumbing services can earn you a loyal customer base. 6. Appliance repairs. Specialize in repairing household appliances such as refrigerators, washing machines, or ovens. Appliance breakdowns can be inconvenient, and homeowners often prefer repairing appliances over replacing them, making this service highly sought after. 7. Outdoor repairs and maintenance. Provide outdoor repair and maintenance services, including fence repairs, deck maintenance, or gutter cleaning. Outdoor spaces need regular care, and homeowners are willing to hire professionals for these tasks. 8. Home safety upgrades. Offer home safety upgrades such as installing smoke detectors, security cameras, or child-proofing measures. Enhancing home safety is a priority for many homeowners, especially those with young children. 9. Renovations and remodeling. Undertake home renovations and remodeling projects. Whether it's a bathroom renovation or a kitchen remodel, homeowners often need skilled professionals to transform their spaces. Renovations can be large projects, providing substantial income. 10. Home inspection services. Offer home inspection services for potential home buyers. Home inspections are crucial in real estate transactions, helping buyers make informed decisions. Training as a certified home inspector can open doors to this profitable field. Remember, being a handyman isn't just about fixing things, it's about providing peace of mind to homeowners and businesses.